falling timber. You better move, you better dance. I'm feeling sexy and free, like glitters raining on me.
Hey guys! So now we are doing the trying new food and
Supposedly, Ryan is not here.
so let's start.
Let's start.
So the first is the tortillas. It's chili flavor. So hope that it's chili. So let's start. One, two, three.
Not chili.
Yeah. But it's sweet. For me, from 1 to 10 is 1 to 8.
For me, 1 to 8.
So,
Second one, what are they? The magic chips, sour cream, and onion flavor cracker chips. Sour.
so 1, 2, 3. It's good.
For me, it's 1 to 9. How about you?
For me, it's 1 to 9. So, the third one is the pop and chips. It's jalapeno and cheese. You first.
Triangle.
It's me. So 1, 2, 3. It's hot. I won't eat that again.
Not fried.
Do not eat this. It's pop and cheese.
For me, it's 1 to 5.
For me, it's 1, 2, 3.
Okay. And the last one is Shifudo. Squid flavored chips. Yeah, sweet. I don't like sweet. It smells bad.
I can smell it. It's gross. Right? Sorry.
Yeah.
It's small, but it's strong. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my!
Ew.
For me, it's 1 to 2.
For me, 1 to 1. Yeah.
So that's all what we need, and my favorite is the tortillas. It's not chili, but I like it because it's sweet.
For me, magic chips. It's super delicious and yummy.
So,
Thank you for watching.
and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Have a great day.
Bye!